Namaste, welcome to Gita's kitchen. Today we will make a very interesting breakfast recipe using sprouted moong. We are going to make sprouted moong dosa. For this, we will take this broken wheat, also called as Godi Rava or wheat Rava, lapsi. Measure out 2 cups of this broken wheat. Here I have some sprouted moong. For 2 cups of broken wheat, we will take 1 cup of sprouted moong. We will soak this broken wheat for half an hour. It is half an hour now. See, the wheat rava has soaked well. We will just drain out the water. Now we will take this in our mixer jar and grind it to a thick paste. Now we will remove this batter into a bowl. Next we will take this sprouted moong also into the same mixie jar, and along with it I am adding a small piece of ginger and 1 green chilli, 1 sprig of curry leaves. We will grind these also into a fine batter. Now add this ground moong, green chilli and ginger also along with this wheat rava batter. Now add some salt and mix everything together very well. Add a tablespoon of curd to the batter and mix it well. We will keep this aside for 4 hours. We will make a nice chutney to go with this. Here I have 1 cup of fresh grated coconut and 1/4 cup of this roasted gram or chutney dal. You can take 1 or 2 green chilies as per your spice level and a small piece of ginger. Add some salt and grind this. We are using very little water. We want to make a Getti chutney, meaning a thick chutney. See the consistency. Our tasty Getti chutney, coconut chutney is now ready. We are ready to make our dosas now. Take out the required quantity of batter in a bowl. I am adding very little water to it just to bring it to the right consistency. Heat a tawa. Just add a few drops of oil and smear it all around. Now pour a ladle of batter and gently spread it around as you would do for any regular dosa. Pour some oil, a few drops all around. See, when you can see the under side is getting a reddish color, gently lift it off the tawa. It comes off easily, no problem. Flip it over. When both the sides are well done, let's make one more. Always remember to first heat the tawa well. Then once you pour the batter, reduce the flame to sim or medium and then allow the dosa to cook. When it is done well, you can carefully flip it over. One more thing, today I have made it after resting for 4 hours. But what I find, even if you keep the batter overnight and make the dosa next day, it comes very well. So you can even store the batter in the fridge and use it for 2 to 3 days. Also, it doesn't take much oil. See, just a few drops I added the first time. Now after flipping it over, I am not adding any oil. This cooks very well. See, a lovely golden dosas ready now. Now we are ready to serve out our high fiber sprouted moong dosas with some Getti chutney. So definitely try out this high fiber, high protein sprouted gram dosa. A wonderful breakfast which is tasty and healthy too. So thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe to Gita's Kitchen and we'll meet again with another interesting video from Gita's Kitchen. Thank you.